For the final side of our playground, let's create a simple slide. Draw a rectangle on our platform surface from the top to bottom edge, then pull it out 6 feet and pull it down to the ground using our pillars as reference. Create a 2-point arc using the corner of the box and this intersection inference point. Keep your arc inside the box edges, and with the arc drawn, select it, then move and copy it by this endpoint, so we can move the copy to the top of the box. Now cut away the rest of the box with push-pull, and remember to group our new slide.